Hey, what's up guys? This is Akshay from AS Learning, and today in this video we'll be seeing how to create a RAG on web data, web-based RAG. Okay, so let's do the first step, install all the required libraries. So I'll be going ahead with LangChain, currently the best popular framework for building services using GenAI or LM based services or apps. Okay, and for vector db I'm using Fez. Okay, so installing Fez CPU because I'm not using GPU right now, and here I install LangChain community. Okay, now what I'll be doing is, for reference, I'm taking here two URLs. Intentionally I have taken one URL with the latest data, so that because we know that the LLM's cutoff is October 2023. Yeah, so hence I've taken latest Wikipedia link of a movie named Pushpa 2 The Rule. So just to give an idea that it's working and the answers are not coming from internal data of the LLM. Okay, so here I've taken two URLs of Wikipedia, Pushpa 2 The Rule and Virat Kohli. From loaders, I'm importing async HTML loader. I passed my URLs and created my documents out of it. Okay. Now once my pages, my LangChain document pages are fetched, what I'll be doing is, from all this HTML data which is present in a document, I need the tags which contain meaningful information. Okay, so using beautiful soup transformer provided by LangChain community, I'm extracting information from span, p and diff tags. Okay, now once all this information is extracted, okay, now what I'll be doing is, I have my data ready. I will be doing splitting, chunking. Okay, so here I'm using recursive character text splitter. Mostly it is the best one right now. How it works is, normal character text splitter does crude chopping on the basis of chunk length. Okay, just crude chopping. Recursive character text splitter takes into consideration paragraphs and the semantic nature in the text. Okay, so that differentiates it from normal character text splitter. Okay, I've kept the chunk size as 1000 standard, chunk overlap 100 standard. Okay, and now my text split, all my chunks are ready. The next thing is converting embeddings out of this chunk. Okay, so here I've used BAI's BGE small English version 1.5. Okay, and devices CPU, and I've kept the normalize embedding as false. Okay, so when you put normalize embedding false, the embedding generated for the chunks, they are not normalized. Okay, they are not. Generally what happens, if you normalize them, which is generally called as L2 normalization, you will find the embedding values in the range of 0 and 1. Okay, but if you don't normalize them, they will be the original embedding values. Okay, and this is my initialization of the embedding, and next I'll be creating the Fez indexes from the chunks and the embeddings. Okay, so in my vector store, now all my chunks, embedded chunks, are present. Okay, now from this, here I want to have a retriever. Okay, and here I kept the search type as similarity, and search keyword argument is k is equal to 4. Okay, so the search type is similarity. Generally people use similarity and MMR. Okay, marginal relevance, just you can search how MMR is different from similarity. Use case to use case, both have their advantages. When you have a use case where you need to be more creative and want to have some diverse answers, MMR is good. When you want clear cut replies from the DB, similarity is good. Search keyword parameter is 4. It will retrieve the 4 best results from the embedding chunks, and will then my LLM using this as a context will answer. Okay, here I'm getting the context. Okay, simple as that. Whatever question comes, it will be embedded, and then it will return me the best chunk. Okay, so here my question is, who is the actor in Pushpa 2 movie? Okay, now here I'm not using Gemini or such kind of Gemini or OpenAI or Mistral or Llama as model. Here I'm using Microsoft's Phi 3 Mini 4K Instruct. Okay, so what I've done is, I have an inference API of Hugging Face. Okay, I have a better token, and in my payload, as you can see, model is Microsoft's Phi 3, and we have a structure, a role, user, content, prompt, and the max token kept is 500. Okay, the question is coming, and this is the prompt. Simple. You are an intelligent agent. Ask the questions based on given context. Okay, so the question is coming. It is getting embedded, so giving me 4 best chunks. Okay, and from those chunks, this model Microsoft OpenAI 3 Mini is taking those context as per the prompt set, and it is returning me the answer. Okay, and as you can see, the answer I got is actor in Pushpa 2 is Allu Arjun. He's playing the character of Pushparaj, sandalwood smuggler. Very accurate. And this is not coming from the internal knowledge of LLM. It is coming from the RAG. Okay, because in knowledge cutoff of October 2023, the model. Okay, one thing, because we are using 5.3 Microsoft, yeah, the cutoff knowledge range would be different. The cutoff which I told of October 2023 is of OpenAI's model, but yeah, even 5.3 would have a late cutoff. Okay, and this answer is coming from the VectorDB RAG. Similarly, I asked him a question, which game is played by Virat Kohli, and I get an answer that he plays cricket. Okay, so in this way, we saw how to use web-based data. You can extract it and create RAG out of it. Some popular ways to do it more at a scale level is I've seen people use Firecrawl, Crawl AI. Okay, so these are some really good parsers. Okay, which are available. Some of them are paid. I think Firecrawl is paid. Some of them are free. Okay, and accordingly, it gives you the best possible structure, which then you can create chunks and embed it. Okay, so that's all with this video, guys. If you learned something new, give it a thumbs up. Do check other videos on Gen AI. AI is the future, guys. And yeah, stay tuned to AI for more such amazing tech stuff. Take care. Peace out.